This is the TV mount I'm using. It's a Click Full Motion TV wall bracket. I got it from Bunnings for about $40. No matter if you've got this one or something else, the process will be exactly the same, if not similar. This particular one here is for 32-inch to 65-inch flat screens, up to 40 kilos, got a universal mounting pattern, extends, swivels, tilts, etc, etc. I've just extended the bracket out, and you can see here are the bottom holes, there, and it's the same along the top. So what you need to do is go to your wall where you want to hang your TV from, grab your stud finder, click your link up above if you don't know how to use one of those, and then mark out where your studs are in the wall, and then you hold the bracket up to the wall and then mark out whatever holes fit into the studs. So you can see I've done the very edges, top and bottom. So I'm going to drill 5mm holes, 50mm deep, into these 4 holes. Now grab the bigger screws in the pack and the washers to go with them, and we're going to put the bracket into the holes we just drilled. It's easy if you have got a friend to come and hold this while you screw it in, but my wife's out enjoying the pool at the moment on this high 30°C day, so I'm going to have to try and do it myself. Wish me luck. Just do it loosely for now. Gonna do the rest by hand now. Now we're going to attach the mounting arms to the TV. I've still got this bracket on the TV here, so it sits nicely on top of my dining table while I work on it. If you don't have one of those, or you've already taken it off, just sit it face down on a flat, soft surface so it avoids damaging the TV screen. So we have a mounting arm. We have a spacer here, which is going to go behind that. Then screw and a washer. So I'll just line it up. And then just repeat on the other side there. Taking the TV off the base. You can skip that step if your base is already off or you didn't have one on. And before we mount it to the bracket on the wall, just retract these 2 locking screws there and there, so you've got enough room to clear that bottom lip. The screw was up here before, so just unscrew it so that sits flat with the bottom there. Lift up the TV with the help of another person if you can, and get that top part of the mounting arms on the TV and hook it over the top lip of the mounting bracket on the wall. Then we centralise the TV by just measuring each side of the arms there, making sure that it's equally spaced on either side. Once you're happy with the positioning, tighten these 2 locking screws to secure it into place. This bracket has 4 nuts, one there, and another 2 on the other side. You can loosen those up and then you can control the tilt angle. You get the idea. Once you're happy with the desired angle, you just tighten those nuts back up and it'll lock it in place. And then you can, this bracket can be pushed like that, so it's close to the wall, out like this, left and right. There you have it, guys. That's how to mount a TV to your wall. Any questions or comments, feel free to drop me a line. Hope you've enjoyed the video. As you can tell by the tinsel above the TV, Christmas is coming up. It's probably my last video before then, so wishing you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.